Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going, me and Joseph built this fort, and Eli just went out looting, so yeah. Once Eli comes back, I guess we'll do something. So, I don't know. Well, we have the gun, I'll reload it. So we have this. What is this?
That's a valuable weapon, you know.
Oh, okay. Who's that?
That's someone I found.
You want to come in?
Yeah. I'm good.
Here, I'll skip back.
Found it here.
Nice. And yeah, me and Eli built. I'm sorry, I keep saying Eli because I'm thinking of someone else because he looks like someone, but nah, it's me and Joseph.
I mean, he is my twin brother.
True. Anyways, well, dude, get in. Dude, get in. There's a person coming in. Quick. Shh, quiet. In. Just get in. Quiet. There's a person. Eli, this has a bullet in it. This has a bullet. Shh.
Okay, you can take my spear.
Take a spear. And have this.
No, I want the knife.
Shh. They're right there. They're right there. Eli's cocking it. That's the bullet in it. Good. Quiet. Don't shoot. Do not shoot. Idea. What? Shoot the bullet over there. Eli, remember? Me and you used to shoot bullets and stuff, and we dropped one like right over there by the stop sign. Yeah. Let's see if we can find that, because we can get another bullet with the gun. Okay, let's go. Wait. Go. You stop. Okay, we're going out here. Guys, we're going out here. We're going out the back way. Eli, take the phone. Joseph, take the phone. Joseph, take it.
I need to call me Joseph. Hold the stick and the phone. I'll jump over.
Joseph's jumping over the fence. Go. Shh. Go. Take it. Take the gun.
Guys, this is... Everyone's jumping the fence. Okay, you can have the phone.
Everyone, follow me. Come here.
I got this here. No, I was waiting.
Shh. Grab the bullets, quick. Gotta find the bullet. There should be one more. Because remember we dropped one over here somewhere? Oh no. I don't see it. What? Run, this way, back there, go, back to the fort, quick. Go, guys, go. Eli, jump. Joseph, Joseph. I keep thinking of your brother. Joseph. What do you think? Come on, look, wait for Meredith. Here. Joseph, go.